if the admin wants to refund, suppose this invoice, they can click on the invoice ID. They would be taken to the invoice details page where the admin can view when the invoice was sent, when was it paid, what was the invoice type, when was it created, all of these details, right? And then the session details would also be visible here. So for refunding this, you can see that at the bottom, there's a button called refund. The admin can click on that button. Clicking on that, this model will appear, which will ask for the confirmation. It will show the invoice ID, the amount that is being refunded. The admin here now has an option whether they would like to generate a full refund or they would like to, generate a partial refund. So if they uncheck this box, the admin can enter an amount. They want to generate a full refund. The admin can select this checkbox. Now, there are two refund modes. Either the refunded amount would be sent to the family as credit balance, or the refund would be issued via the original payment method. So if the parent has paid via any card that they have saved, right? So this refund amount would be reflected in that card. So if the admin has selected the convert refund amount as credit balance, then once they review all the details, the admin clicks on continue. So now you can see that the status has changed to refunded. And once the admin removes the filters, suppose they do clear all, apply, now you can see that the status of this invoice has changed as refunded.